Our customers already use the VibroScan QTech today for objects ranging from a few centimeters to several meters. With the new microscope extension, we are now taking a decisive step further into the micrometer range. The same measuring head, the same software, no system change, no setup effort. If you will, you can now cover everything from an elephant to a fly's leg with a single system. When you measure vibrations on a printed circuit board or an actuator, you're dealing with a mix of surfaces. Unlike conventional vibrometry, QTech guarantees an optimal signal-to-noise ratio here as well, and thus faster measurements. In practice, this means significantly fewer averages, shorter measurement times, and more measurement points. The smaller the object, the more noticeable the difference compared to conventional systems. The use of a visible helium-neon laser in the VibroScan QTech Neo results in spot sizes of just 2 micrometers. With the spatial resolution, even the finest bond wires or MEMS cantilevers can be measured. Together with the integrated coaxial LED illumination and the microscope objectives, the laser can be positioned with precision. As always, our customers were the driving force behind this development. They are involved in the development of the latest smartphones, medical technology components, often in the ultrasound field, and MEMS sensors. With the VibroScan QTech, they now have a tool to help them complete their task better and faster. And thanks to the visible laser, they can measure through water, for example in ultrasound applications. VibroScan QTech offers 3 levels of integration. Internally, directly via the PSV software using a built-in macro language. Externally, via an open API, compatible with Python, MATLAB, LabVIEW, and many more. And at the hardware level, via our platform-independent open source driver over TCP/IP. This means you can seamlessly integrate the VibroScan into your testing process, from the R&D lab to the end-of-line testing.
With its microscope extension, Polytec VibroScan opens up new application possibilities and becomes a true all-rounder in full field vibration measurement. Polytec. Measure what matters.